Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a time field in Bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Here, search for the time field. Drag and drop the time field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the time field settings. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. The admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the responses page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The input icon option allows you to add a symbol or image within the input field. This option allows you to set a default value for the form field that will automatically populate when the form is loaded on the front end. You can show or hide the default value by clicking this option. Here, you can also set a default meeting time for this field according to your preferences. First, decide if this field is required or not. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the time field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the time field will be visible. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. You can show or hide this setting by clicking this option. The disabled option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. You can toggle this option to enable or disable this field according to your needs. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to check the time field. Here, you can see that the time field has been successfully added with its default value already set. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.